Is a Big Four CPA career actually worth it? For some, absolutely. For others, not quite. It really depends. But let's be clear, it's not about prestige, promotions, and cute LinkedIn announcements. A Big Four career can be a truly incredible launchpad for your accounting career. It can give you training, brand recognition, client experience, technical skills, and exit opportunities that are hard to match. But it can also mean long hours, high pressure, busy season burnout, and a work environment that's not the right fit for everyone. So the real question isn't, is Big Four worth it? It's, is Big Four worth it for the kind of CPA career you're trying to build? Let's start with what people mean by Big Four. The Big Four accounting firms are Deloitte, PwC, EY, and KPMG. They're the largest global accounting and professional services firms, and they work across areas like audit, tax, consulting, risk advisory, transactions, and business advisory services. For future CPAs, the most common Big Four entry points are usually the audit and tax fields. Audit focuses on examining financial statements, testing controls, reviewing evidence, and providing assurance that financial reporting is reliable. Tax is focused on tax compliance, planning, research, and helping individuals or businesses navigate tax rules. There are also advisory and consulting paths, but if we're talking specifically about a Big Four CPA career, audit and tax are usually the main lanes. So what makes Big Four so valuable? The biggest benefit is the learning curve. At a Big Four firm, you're often exposed to large clients, complex accounting issues, strict deadlines, professional documentation standards, and teams that expect you to learn quickly. That can be intense, but it can also quick start your mastery. You may see more in 2 or 3 years at a Big Four firm than you'd see in a much slower paced role over a longer period of time. And that's part of the appeal. Big Four is a little like an accountant boot camp. Not always fun, not always balanced, but very formative. The second major benefit, resume value. When recruiters, hiring managers, or corporate accounting teams see Big Four on your resume, they usually understand that you've been trained in a demanding environment. That doesn't mean Big Four automatically makes you better than everyone else. It doesn't. There are excellent accountants who've never worked at a Big Four firm, but Big Four experience can act like a signal. It tells employers you've likely worked with deadlines, reviewed complex financial information, handled client expectations, and survived a structured public accounting environment. That can help when you're applying for future roles. The third benefit is exit opportunities. This is one of the biggest reasons people choose Big Four, even if they don't plan to stay forever. After a few years, Big Four professionals may move into corporate accounting, financial reporting, internal audit, technical accounting, tax departments, FP&A, SEC reporting, controllership, consulting, or other finance and accounting roles. And the timing matters. Leaving after 1 year can still be useful, but leaving after being a senior associate or manager can often give you stronger leverage because you've had more responsibility. That doesn't mean everyone needs to stay until landing a management position, but it does mean you should think strategically. Are you going to Big Four for long-term partnership, for the CPA experience requirement, for the resume boost, for training, for exit opportunities? Know your reason going in. Now, let's talk about the hard part. Big Four can be demanding. Busy season is real. Deadlines are real. Client pressure is real. The learning curve can be steep, and sometimes you'll be juggling multiple priorities while also trying to study for the CPA exam, maintain a personal life, and remember what sunlight feels like. So no, I wouldn't tell everyone you have to go Big Four. You don't. If you know you want a small firm, a more local client base, a government role, industry accounting, or a less intense environment, Big Four may not be the best fit. And that's okay. Your career doesn't have to impress people on the internet. It has to work for your actual life. Now, salary. A Big Four CPA career can absolutely lead to strong earning potential, but it's important to understand where the value actually comes in. Entry-level audit and tax salaries are usually solid, but they're not always wildly higher than other good accounting jobs, especially when you factor in hours during busy season. The bigger financial upside, progression. Associate to senior, senior to manager, manager to senior manager, or using that experience to move into a stronger industry role. That's where the Big Four name can really pay off. It can help you access roles that may have better pay, better hours, strong benefits, or a clearer path towards leadership. So if you're evaluating ROI, don't just ask, what's the starting salary? Ask, what doors could this open in 3 to 5 years? Now, all of that said, who is a Big Four CPA career worth it for? I'd say Big Four can be a strong fit if you're ambitious, early in your accounting career, interested in audit or tax, willing to work hard for a few years, and looking for training, credibility, and future career mobility. It can also be a good fit if you're not completely sure where you want to end up, because Big Four experience can expose you to different clients, industries, and accounting problems. But Big Four may not be worth it if you prioritize a strong work-life balance, prefer a smaller team or a more relaxed vibe, want a predictable lifestyle, or if you simply need Big Four experience for the career path you're chasing. That last part matters. Don't choose Big Four just because people told you it's the best path. Best for what? Best for audit partner track? Maybe. Best for public accounting training? Often, yes. Best for every CPA candidate? No. There are plenty of successful CPAs who start in regional firms, government, corporate accounting, nonprofit finance, or small tax practices. So here's my honest take. A Big Four CPA career can be worth it if you treat it like a strategic career investment. Go in knowing exactly what you want to get out of the experience. Get your CPA if that's part of your plan. Build strong technical skills. Learn how to work with clients. Document your wins. Build relationships, and pay attention to what parts of the work you actually like and the parts you truly don't. That list can guide your next move, but don't sacrifice your entire life or mental health just to chase a name on your resume. The Big Four can open doors, but it's still just one path. A powerful path, yes. A respected path, yes. But it isn't the only path to get where you want to go. So if you're asking, is Big Four CPA experience worth it? My answer is yes, if you want the training, resume value, network, and exit opportunities, and you're realistic about the workload. But if your goals point somewhere else, you can build the accounting career of your dreams without it. So choose wisely. For more CPA career tips, exam advice, and accounting certification breakdowns, don't forget to subscribe. We post every day.